Welcome to Winning Products.
In today's video, we're going to look at a new product called EMS Eye Massager Vibration Anti-Age Wrinkle Massager Dark Circle Remover Wife Gift Women Face Care. And this is a winning product because it has a solution um, solution to aging problem for women, and also eye wrinkle challenge faced by women in their eye region. It's so winning product because it's sold online. It has a high passive value attached to the product, and it has a wow factor. Currently at a 5.0 star reviews on AliExpress. The listing is a UK store. They've been on AliExpress since February 25, 2019. You can contact the supplier to negotiate the price and possibly shipping times, but you negotiate mainly the price and the number of quantity, minimum order quantity. It currently has 32 reviews with 118 orders. It sold on AliExpress at the rate of 15.60 USD. It has only one color variation, which is white. The shipping, it ships to the United States. The shipping is the shipping is 2.11 USD from China to the United States via AliExpress standard shipping. Estimated delivery is on April 20th. At the time I record this video, this is 4th April 2022. So you can jump on this product if you decide to sell it on Shopify, Woocommerce, or WeStore. Let's look at other shipping options. You can see this is the only shipping option available on AliExpress is tracked. So I suggest you go for all shipping that are tracked to avoid future challenges. The marketing strategy for that product is I suggest you use USA and UK Instagram female beauty influencers. I also suggest you use USA and UK TikTok female beauty influencers. I also suggest you use USA and UK YouTube female beauty influencers. And I suggest you use YouTube search ads and YouTube video ads. Now let's look at the cost price for the product is 50.60. The total shipping cost is 2.11, and the shipping is not free, it's paid, so you add it to your product cost, and you have a gross profit margin of 5.28 USD if you decide to sell at the selling price of 2.99 USD. That is the proposed trading result for the EMS Eye Massager Vibration Anti-Age Eye Wrinkle Massager.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.